Now let's solve this problem. Cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first let me write LHS. Okay. LHS is what? Cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Now we have to substitute the value for 1. We know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, right? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cosecant square theta. Now 1 is equal to cosecant square theta plus cot square theta, it will go this side and it will become minus cot square theta. Now 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Now replace this value here. Okay. That is cot theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1. 1 means what? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. See here, this cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, you have to take it in the bracket because here you have minus sign. Okay. Whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Now observe this one. Okay. It is in the form of a square minus b square. And we know the formula of a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is what? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. In the place of a square we have cosecant square theta and in the place of b square we have cot square theta. So a means what here? Cosecant theta plus b means cot theta. That is cosecant theta plus cot theta, a minus b, that is cosecant theta minus cot theta. Okay. Now replace this as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta. Okay. That is cot theta plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta plus cot theta. Again you take it in the bracket because you have minus sign here into cosecant theta minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. Okay, we have replaced this as cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta. Don't forget to take the bracket because here we have minus sign. It's very important. Whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Okay. Now observe these two are common, right? Cot theta plus cosecant theta. Cot theta plus cosecant theta. Here for cot theta we have plus sign and for cosecant theta we have plus sign. And for here also cosecant theta it has plus sign. Means both are common here. This one and this one. Take common. That is cot theta plus cosecant theta. We are taking common. What is left here? 1. 1 minus. This is common. And what is left here? Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Again we have to take it in the bracket because Here we have minus sign. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Okay. Whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Now remove these terms from the bracket. Okay. Remove these terms from the bracket. That is cot theta plus cosecant theta 1 minus plus into minus is minus. Then it will become minus cosecant theta. Minus into minus, that is plus. Plus cot theta. Okay. Whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Now, see here, I will just change the place of this one. Okay. Just I will alter the place of this one. That is cot theta plus cosecant theta, I will write as it is cot theta plus cosecant theta into 1 minus cosecant theta plus cot theta. I will change the place of this one. Okay. I will write cot theta first. Cot theta, and for cot theta we have plus sign. So plus cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1 whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1 whole divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. This is one extra step. You can write or you can directly cancel here. Now these two it will get cancels. Cancel it. Then what is left? Cot theta plus cosecant theta. Cot theta plus cosecant theta. Cot theta plus cosecant theta, I will write it as cosecant theta plus cot theta. Because the value does not change, right? 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, both are same. Cot theta plus cosecant theta plus cot theta, both are same. The value does not change. Therefore, I will write it as cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta, it is what? 1 by sin theta plus cot theta is what? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Now you just take the LCM. Sin theta is the LCM. Then 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. See here. This is our RHS. We have proved that LHS is equal to RHS, right? LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.